Biglang bro kayo ng tabi. Ayaw mag-load. Tracy. You achi-chachi. Ito muna ni Kibong. Kabay Kibong ni Kibong. Awawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawawaw Guys, we have to do something first. There. Wait. Picture. Cheese. La. Guys, naglag lang. Let's volume. Joke lang. Volume. I need therapy. Say hello. Hello. This is my eldest cousin. Say hello. Hello. My happy family. House getting renovated, so don't mind me. Therapy, that's what I need. I need Brookhaven therapy. Not just any therapy. The ultimate Sorry guys, disturbed. Tornado. Skibidi toilet. Where am I? Whoa, ang angas nito ah. This place is cool. What is happening? What happened here? Uy! I'll focus in the RC. Let's get what? Sorry guys, nabablock ng camera. Let's go. Ano to? Tignan ba itong dalawang babae? Just remember. Invisible ako. Hey. Guys, wait. Skibidi. Kala ko maging necklace.
Gusto mo ba? May timba kasi. Gusto mo ba rice?
Okay.
Ano daw?
Cheese stick.
May flavor?
Yeah.
Cheese? Flavor cheese?
Yata. Okay. Hey guys.
Siyape, rice?
Yata din.
Be, you want cheese stick? Be? Be, you want cheese stick?
Sorry guys, pag
You want cheese
quality.
stick? Cheese
Bigyan
rice.
pa lang ako eh. Huh? Nagsabi ng hi. Happy. Sibade. Walang ano, TV. TV man. Yan. Oh. Cha cha cha. Cha 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 cha. Ano pangat-pangat ata. Guys, wait. Why is it lagging? I don't know what happened. It lagged out of line.